Hello everyone. So today's question is from JEE Advanced 2023 and the question came from redox reaction chapter. So let's solve this question. So question says 5 moles of H₂S reacts completely with acidified aqueous potassium permanganate solution. In this reaction the number of moles of water produced is X and the number of moles of electrons involved is Y. The value of X plus Y is. So first we need to write the chemical equation for this reaction. Okay. So question says acidified potassium permanganate. That means potassium permanganate is reacting with sulfuric acid. Okay, there is some kind of acid involved in the reaction. So let's write the equation 5H₂S. Okay, 5 moles of H₂S is here given in the question. Reacting with aqueous potassium permanganate solution. So let's write KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate, plus acidified. So let's write H₂SO4. Okay, so we will get the product. The product will be K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus sulfur in elemental form and water. Okay, so this is your chemical equation. Now we need to balance this equation, and we will balance this equation by hit and trial method. Okay, so let's balance the equation. So here is 5 moles of sulfur and 1 potassium. Here is 2 potassium. Okay, so let's multiply this KMnO4 by 2. Okay, so we got 2 potassium here, 2 potassium here, and 2 manganese. So let's multiply manganese with 2. Okay, so 2 manganese is here, 2 manganese is here. Okay, now we will balance the sulfur. You can also balance the oxygen, hydrogen, whatever you like, but I am balancing the sulfur. Okay, so here is 5 sulfur in H₂S. Okay, and 1 sulfur is here, so total 6 sulfur on reactant side, and on product side we got 2, 3 and 4 sulfur. So 5 is here and 4 is here. Okay, we need to balance both of them. So what we should do, so if I make 8 sulfur on reactant side, okay, by multiplying H₂SO4 by 3. Okay, so we got 5 sulfur here and 3 sulfur here. Okay, and here I am multiplying this elemental sulfur with 5. So you can see 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. Now sulfur is balanced. Okay, our next task is to balance the hydrogen and oxygen. So here is 10 hydrogen. Okay, 2 into 5, 10 hydrogen, and 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen is here. So total 16 hydrogen on reactant side, and on product side 2 hydrogen is here. So I am multiplying this H2O with 8. So 8 H2O is here. If you balance the oxygen now, so 8 oxygen is here, and 4 into 2, 8, 8, 16, and 4, 20, and 4, 3, 12 oxygen and 8 oxygen. So 20 oxygen, 20 oxygen, both reactant and product side is balanced now. So the question is asking about the number of moles of water produced is X. So if you see from the balanced equation, we already got 8 moles of water. 8 moles of water. Okay. So our answer is for X, we got 8 moles. Okay, 8 moles of water we already got. We already got the 8 moles of H2X we got. Okay, now we need to find the number of moles of electrons involved in this whole equation. Okay, so for number of electrons, you need to find the n factor or valency factor. Okay, so n factor we will calculate for KMnO4, because KMnO4 is our main reactant here. Okay, so let's calculate the oxidation state of manganese here. Okay, so if you write +1 for potassium, let's consider manganese as X. Okay, and for oxygen the oxidation number is -2 and 4 oxygen are here, so I will write -8 equals to 0. Okay, so X will be +7. This X is the oxidation number for manganese, okay, remember it. And on product side X plus SO4 minus 2 के फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करता है, सो -2 equals to 0. So X equals to +2. X equals to +2. Okay. So if you see the change, the definition of N factor says the number of electrons gained or lost per mole of reactant. Okay. So if you see the number of electrons gained or lost, so in this case the manganese is going from +7 to +2. So it is a reduction. Okay. So it is a gain of 5 electrons. Okay. 5 electrons gained. Okay. Reduction. Okay. So this 5 electron is for 1 mole of KMnO4 and we got 2 mole of KMnO4. So let's multiply this 5 into 2. So we got 10 electron. Okay. So total N factor is here is 10 electron. Okay. And आप ऐसे भी देख सकते हो कि 2 stoichiometric coefficient is 2 and here is +7. So 7 into 2 14. Okay. And +2 and 2 is stoichiometric coefficient, so it is 4. So 14 minus 4 equals to 10. You can also calculate like this. Okay. So 14 minus 4, 10, as I say in this molecule. Okay. So 10 is our what? Y equals to 10 electron, and the answer will be X plus Y equals to 10 plus 8 equals to 18. So our final answer will be 18. Got it? And if you calculate the moles from stoichiometry also, then here is 8 and the moles of given moles is 5 mole. Okay, that is of H₂S. So stoichiometric coefficient of H₂S is 5 and 5 moles. So if you calculate this, then you will also get 8 moles of water. Okay. So there are various methods by which you can solve this question, and I have explained two types of method for both the calculation of moles of electrons and moles of water. Okay. So this is the question. Thank you so much.